You wake up every morning feeling a sense of emptiness, as if something crucial is missing from your life. You yearn for more success, abundance, and fulfillment, but it always seems just out of reach. You've heard about the power of manifestation, about unlocking your true potential, but you just can't seem to crack the code. But what if I told you that there's a way to unlock your potential, to manifest your dreams, and to attract abundance into your life? In this video, we delve into the secrets shared by the legendary Bob Proctor that will revolutionize the way you approach your mindset and beliefs. Get ready as we explore the transformative concept of unlocking our potential through frequency alignment. Bob Proctor, the renowned personal development expert, will guide us on a journey to understand how harnessing the power of frequencies can elevate our lives to new heights. We'll dive deep into the connection between our mindset and beliefs and the manifestation of our dreams. Discover how your thoughts shape your reality and learn the techniques to shift your mindset towards abundance and success. But it doesn't stop there. We'll uncover the power of positive manifestation practices that can attract unlimited abundance into your life. From visualization to affirmations, we will explore the practical tools you can use to align your energy and bring your dreams to fruition. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more transformative content. We would greatly appreciate your support as we continue to share knowledge that can truly change lives. So, if you're ready to step into a world where your dreams become your reality, join us as we embark on this transformative journey. Get ready to unlock your potential, manifest your dreams, and attract abundance through positive manifestation practices. All right, let's begin. In the vast ocean of the universe, our thoughts are like little ripples that create waves, carrying energy and information. These thought waves, generated by our conscious and subconscious minds, operate at specific frequencies. The concept that our thoughts have frequencies may sound abstract, but quantum physics and neuroscience have shed light on this fascinating phenomenon. Just as radio stations broadcast different frequencies to tune into specific channels, we too can align our thoughts with the frequencies that resonate with our desires. The law of attraction teaches us that by consciously focusing on positive thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, we align ourselves with the frequency of abundance, success, and joy. This alignment opens the gateway for the manifestation of our desired outcomes. Shifting our energy levels starts with a conscious decision to change our thoughts and beliefs. It's about taking back the reins of our minds and recognizing that we have the power to direct our thoughts in a way that serves our highest good. When we make a conscious choice to shift our energy, we take responsibility for our vibrational frequency and step into the driver's seat of our manifestations. The desire within us is the fuel that ignites the manifestation process. It is this desire that propels us to emit the frequencies necessary to attract what we want in life. When our desire is strong and unwavering, it acts as a magnet, drawing opportunities, resources, and synchronicities that align with our intentions. Trusting in our desires and nurturing them with focused energy amplifies their manifestation potential. Conscious thinking involves becoming aware of our thoughts and deliberately choosing ones that support our goals and aspirations. Random thinking, on the other hand, is like a ship adrift, subject to the currents of external influences. When we engage in conscious thinking, we become intentional creators, steering our mental ship towards our desired destinations. By aligning our thoughts with our goals, we navigate the path to manifestation with clarity and purpose. The power of wanting cannot be underestimated. It is the initial spark that sets the manifestation process in motion. When we deeply desire something, we set into motion a series of events, both internally and externally, that bring us closer to our desires. Wanting acts as the catalyst, propelling us towards the manifestation of our dreams. So embrace your desires, fuel them with intention, and watch as the universe conspires to make them a reality. As we elevate our vibrational frequency, we tap into higher realms of existence, transcending the limitations of our five senses. The physical world is just one level of reality, but as we raise our frequency, we expand our awareness and perception. We begin to experience synchronicities, intuitive insights, and a deeper connection with the universe. Commitment is the bridge that connects our desires to their manifestations. It is the unwavering dedication to our goals and the belief that they are achievable. When we commit ourselves fully, we open ourselves to transformation. It is in this commitment that we find the willingness to take inspired action, make necessary changes, and leap outside of our comfort zones. By committing to our desires, we create the space for positive change to occur, leading us toward better outcomes and a more fulfilling life overall. When it comes to manifestation, clarity is crucial. Being specific about your desires helps to fine-tune your focus and direct your energy towards what truly matters to you. Let's say you want to manifest a new job. Instead of simply wishing for a better job, get specific about the type of job you want, the industry, the salary range, the work environment, and any other specific details that align with your desires. This level of specificity sends a clear message to the universe and allows it to bring forth the opportunities that match your intentions. Successful individuals understand the power of clarity and goal setting. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve, and they focus their energy and attention on their desired outcomes. However, what sets them apart is that they don't excessively worry about the how. They trust the process and believe that the universe will present them with the right opportunities and resources to reach their goals. We live in a world beyond what we can perceive with our five senses alone. Matching the frequency of your beliefs with those that align with your desires allows you to tap into unseen realms of power. By elevating your vibrational frequency through positive thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, you access a heightened state of consciousness. In this state, you become more attuned to the subtle energies and synchronicities that guide you towards your desired reality. For instance, someone who wants to attract more financial abundance may align their beliefs with abundance, trust in the universe's ability to provide, and release any limiting thoughts of scarcity. Through this alignment, they open themselves up to opportunities, resources, and experiences that support their financial growth and prosperity. And there you have it. We've explored the profound concepts of manifestation, the power of thoughts, and aligning with the frequencies that attract abundance and positivity into our lives. Take a moment to reflect on your own life. Are you truly going after what you want, or are you settling for less? It's time to break free from the limitations and fears that hold us back. Believe in yourself, embrace your desires, and take inspired action towards creating the life you truly deserve. From this moment forward, say yes to abundance and positive vibes in every aspect of your life. Choose to focus on the possibilities, the opportunities, and the joys that await you. Let go of negativity, doubts, and limitations. Embrace a mindset of gratitude, positivity, and unwavering belief in your own power to manifest. If you resonated with the insights and wisdom shared in this video, we kindly ask you to show your support. Please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we invite you to do so. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Share your manifestation journey, insights, and any questions you may have. Our community of like-minded individuals is ready to support and inspire each other towards greatness. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting.